You're watching Telecom TV from SCWS World in London, and I'm joined now by Tom McQuade, who is Vice President and General Manager, CellEngine and Trillium software at Radisys. Tom, good to see you on Telecom TV. What is Radisys working on at the moment?
So Radisys is made up of 5 business units, and the 5 business units have recognized that the next generation central offices are becoming more complex, especially wrapped around virtualization. So in the 5 business units, we've taken virtualization as a challenge to help our customers and help the carriers solve their problems. So in SCWS, which is one of our newest products, it is a disruptive cloud platform that allows applications to be quickly installed into the carrier's networks and efficiently and cost effectively. Our Media Engine product line is based on an MRF functionality that allows for transcoding and other media real-time applications to be optimized for the carrier's network. The CellEngine business, which I'm responsible for, is a protocol stack business that is scaling from small cells all the way through cloud RAN applications.
And what other product lines are you working on?
The Flow Engine product is a traffic management, traffic acceleration technology that carriers have also seen as a value in their virtualized networks. And then we tie this business all together with our professional services. So over 25 years of telecom experience in a variety of different core network and RAN network areas.
Small cells play a critical role in mobile operators' transition to next generation networks. What are the key trends that you're seeing at the moment?
Yeah, so we mentioned virtualization, and virtualization is certainly a key where there's a variety of ways to break the network on the RAN side as well as on the core side. In my business, we have found that the small cell protocol stacks are keenly capable of migrating into a virtualized network, and we have several customers that are developing technology with us that will be introducing virtualized RAN products as we finish out this year and into next year.
And what's happening in the unlicensed spectrum space?
Well, here I'm at the Small Cell World Summit, and many of the presentations talk about how do we deal with unlicensed band and take advantage of that from the carrier side, where we can get low cost unlicensed band matched with licensed band, very expensive licensed band, to offer our customers higher bandwidth, more throughput, reliably. And by taking LTE and the quality of service associated with that, the authentication that LTE offers, and marrying that with unlicensed band, we're excited about the operator's ability to achieve 300 megabits up to a gigabit of throughput to each of our users.
What is Radisys doing in this area?
So we have generated carrier aggregation technology, which is the precursor to being able to bring LAA, LWA, and maybe even multi-fire as different unlicensed band access technology along with the LTE spectrum to be able to augment the network with higher throughput, more spectrum, and being able to deliver our customers the better experience that they're looking for.
What advancements have you made with your LTE small cell software?
Well, we just announced our Total eNode B Plus protocol stack for small cells, which is a carrier aggregation included along with a number of LTE advanced features like ICIC. We'll see LAA as part of this release going into the future. And into next year, MBS will be a part of the technology as well.
Tell me more about your activities in China.
China is a dedicated engineering team that has focused on achieving the requirements for China Mobile. We have several customers that have not only passed all the test requirements out of China Mobile, we have also have customers delivering product as we go through this year. We have a lot of optimistic customers that believe that they're going to be participating in the phase 2 release of China Mobile, which we expect to happen towards the end of this year.
What are the other trends that you're seeing in the industry at the moment?
So I think there's 2 big takeaways from where I sit. First takeaway is neutral host. So there's more and more interest in the ability for multiple carriers to use the same access point to achieve increased bandwidth and coverage in certain capacity and coverage requirements at different venues, whether it's in primarily in enterprise types of applications. The second thing is 5G, and we're not surprised that 5G was well talked about here, but getting into more specifics around what NFV requirements are, what machine-to-machine requirements may be, MEC, mobile edge computing requirements. So we're getting a little bit deeper into the details as to what we're going to need to deliver, starting with engineering work this year that will be delivered for networks in 2017, 2018, and 2019.
Tom McQuade, thank you very much.